Hi, first graders. Today for lesson 15-3, we're going to understand halves and fourths. So it's like more about what we talked about yesterday with the halves and fourths. So they want to ask you, which is larger, a half or a fourth of the same size sandwich? Okay, so in order to figure that out, first we're going to divide the sandwich, okay? So for this one, they say the first sandwich, they want to divide it into halves. So cut the sandwich in half. Right? One for me, Mrs. Parker, P for Parker, and one for you, Y for you. Okay? The next sandwich, they want us to divide it into fourths because it's going to be shared with 4 people. All right. So now one for me, one for you, and this could be for person A, and this could be for person B. All right. So the question now is, which is larger, half of a sandwich or fourth of a sandwich? What do you think? If we were really, really hungry, which one do you want? Do you want this half of this one or you want only a fourth of this one? I would go with this one. Half of this one is definitely bigger, so I'd rather eat this than that, okay? Because if this sandwich, it's only being shared between me and you. This one, we're sharing it with 4 people. So I'm going to get a smaller piece here and a bigger piece here. Okay, let's see on the inside. All right, so on the inside, they're talking about, do you understand? David has a sandwich. Is half of the sandwich more or less food than a fourth of the same sandwich? So this is kind of like the same thing as the front. So think about what you did in the front and then explain, okay? All right, let's look at the guided practice here. It says circle the shape that has more equal shares. Put an X on the shape that has the larger equal share. So first, let's circle. Circle the shape that has more shares. So this one is being shared with more people. So we're circling it. That's okay. And then this one has a bigger share. Bigger share means that you get more in your, like a bigger share. Like this is your share, you get the bigger share. More means more people. Larger means larger for you. So number 2, which one has more equal shares? So circle the shape that has more. Well, there's more people to share. And then an X on the larger piece. All right. Number 3, circle that one that has more people sharing. And put an X on the one that has the larger piece. I'll let you do number 4 on your own. I know the wording is very confusing, so you really got to think about it. All right, for these, number 5, 6, and 7, it's all about listening to directions and just doing what they want. Number 5 is just draw a line to divide the shape in half. Number 6, shade. Shade means the color. 1/4 of this shape. Remember what 1/4 means? 1 out of 4. So color in 1 out of 4 of the shape. Number 7, they want you to draw a line in the orange square to make smaller equal shares than the blue one. Okay, so they want you to make smaller pieces for people to eat than this one. This one, two people will eat these giant pieces. For this one, they're like, we have more than 2 people. Can you make smaller shares for us? Number 8, Joan cuts a rectangle into 2 equal shares. Then she cuts each share in half. How many equal shares are there now? What are these shares called? Use words or pictures to explain. So take this rectangle right here and cut it into 2 equal shares first. Then cut each of those shares in half. Then use your words and tell me in here, how many equal shares are there now? What are these shares called? Okay? One last thing. Make sure you use this blank out of blank. That's very important. This is basically your basic important sentence of this whole topic. All right. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.